Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I have this very easy fall look, something very light but still tapping into the fall, sides of things, since we're in fall or about to enter fall. I don't know, but I just know that it's getting kind of cold, or it is. It's been raining crazy in Houston, and the weather has, it's just, the weather is perfect if not for the rain, basically. And Houston weather is just so bipolar. Anyways, so I decided to do something very subtle, something, that I could wear every day. You can wear this look every day if you want to, but something very easy to achieve, and you'll see in the video. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button wherever on the screen it's going to be, and give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. And let's get into the video. So first things first, I want to first of all apologize for being MIA for like about 3 weeks now. And I have a cold, so forgive my voice, but yeah, like honestly I don't even know what happened. I just wasn't able to upload, like things just got busy, so please forgive me. And if you follow me on social media, you know that this is a very old video. I had this video just sitting up there. I was supposed to upload it, but one thing or the other. So now that I have the apology out of the way, let me get into this voiceover. So I use my Becca foundation and my Skindinavia primer. I've been loving that Skindinavia primer lately, and it has been working wonders. Oh Lord, this weather has changed so bad. I have cold right now, so my voice is horrible. Anyways, I applied my MAC. I feel like sneezing. I applied my MAC NW58 foundation, and the weather is dry. It's cold now, so this is the time my face is quite dry. So you would see that I have like a white cast underneath my concealer, whatever, but that's because of the foundation. But anyways, using my Elegant Pro concealer in Chestnut. You guys know this is my favorite concealer, so I'm just like putting that all over the places I want to highlight, underneath my eyes, my brow bone, and I'm just gonna blend that out. This is really sped up because if you want like a very detailed face foundation routine and concealer routine, I have a video for that, which I'll leave the link either at the end of the video or in the description box, so you can check that out. So I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend. I always use a damp beauty blender. Don't use a dry beauty blender, guys. It wouldn't blend well. So after that is blended out, I'm applying my and I put too much setting powder, but anyways, a mixture of my Airspun translucent powder, my Black Radiance powder, and my Laura Mercier powder in medium. I mix all of that, and it gives me like the perfect, but I think I ran out of the Laura Mercier powder, that's why it's a little bit too white. And I'm just contouring my face with my MAC my Morphe palette, my Morphe 35OM palette, and I just use the eyeshadows, and I'm just taking all of that out with my powder brush without any powder. And now I'm gonna apply my Bare Minerals powder. I think this is the deep, anyways, the darkest one. It is like the foundation powder or whatever, so you can use it as a foundation, but I've never used it as a foundation. So anyways, I'm contouring my nose with that brush I used for my contour, and I'm just pinching that and giving my nose a little bit of definition. I'm going back to add a little bit more contour because I always kind of lose some of that in the process of blending my face. Anyways, going in with my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the 0505. Anyways, the number 5. I'm just gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna try to be very careful so I don't like spread it out too much, but I wanted some brightness so that the eyeshadow can pop a little bit. So after that, I'm gonna take this really, I wasn't even going for something pinkish, but anyways, it ended up being this. So it's like a maroon, I don't even know, like a brick red sort of color. Then I'm taking this orangish brick orange and this color, and I'm just putting that as my transition color. So I'm just using this two, oh Lord, I want to sneeze. I'm just putting this two, oh, it's coming. I'm just putting this too, and that's what I'm doing, going back and forth, and I'm blending. Oh, I hate it when I'm about to sneeze and it doesn't come out. Anyways, going into my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, I'm taking that purplish one, I'm putting that right underneath my eyes, and then taking this pinkish one. It's like a brighter version of the purpley one, and I'm just putting that underneath there and going back to make that show. So I've had this MAC eyeliner for a while. I got it from Sephora as a birthday thingy. Oh, speaking of which, I need to check because my birthday just passed, so I need to check to see if I have a gift this time around. Anyways, putting that there, it wasn't showing, so I went back with my NYX eyeliner that I've been loving lately, and that's what I'm using to line my eyes. Then using my Wet n Wild brow pencil, I am just wet and Wild liquid eyeliner. I'm just giving myself a really little line just so I can place my falsies on top of that. Going into this, my sleek brow kit, oh my gosh, my sleek blush kit that I've had for a very long time. I'm just using that to highlight. Excuse me. Oh, finally using that to highlight. I've been loving it as a highlight lately, so my brow bone and all of that. I'm just spraying my Mario Badescu setting spray before I highlight my face, because like I said, the weather is getting cold, so my face is dry, so I needed some hydration, and I used the wrong foundation. Excuse me. I'm just highlighting my face. Oh Lord have mercy. So my cheekbone, bridge of my nose, forehead, chin, and my cupid's bow. And now I'm gonna use those blushes to blush my face, and the first one in with the pink and the orange, and I'm blushing my face. Oh Lord. I'm not gonna redo this voiceover. I can't even redo it because I'll keep sneezing. Ooh. Oh Lord. Okay. So I went back with my contour brush just to bring out the contour, and now I'm spraying my Skindinavia setting spray, the bridal one. Going in with my lip liner in Vino, my MAC lip liner. I've had this for a long time. It was missing somewhere, and finally I got to organize my makeup stuff on my filming table or whatever, so I found it. And then going in with my ABH matte lipstick in sepia. You guys know I love this. I love it as a base from like a nude gloss, if I'm doing like a nude lips. I really love this. And I'm just applying that and blending it with the liner. Then going back with the liner as well. I did not want my liner to be as penciled out as it was, but I didn't really blend it well, but it came out okay, not too bad. Going in with my NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Peanut Brittle. I love this one. Perfect nude, gloss or whatever. And I'm just putting that on top of that, and that's it. Finally, we have the lashes coming up. Yes. So the lashes, and that's it. So guys, this is the finished look. Like I said earlier, something very simple and very easy to achieve. And the good thing about this is that you can switch up colors, do like, I love two-toned eye makeup, but you can even make this one tone, to be honest. You guys know I like to just wear one eyeshadow. On a normal day I don't be dramatic like that. It's just for the YouTube, okay? But this is such an easy everyday makeup look that I love it. I absolutely love it, and you can switch up the lips or whatever. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for coming to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Share the video if you want to, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching again. As usual, don't forget to leave and not exist, and I love you, and God bless you. Bye.